This presentation suggests that a particular YouTube Shorts channel could be raking in as much as $41,000 monthly. However, the reality deviates significantly from initial impressions. The notion propagated is that generating income from YouTube Shorts is as lucrative as it is with traditional, longer YouTube content. However, a closer examination of the highlighted channel reveals it's not even eligible for monetization, debunking the claim. The figure of $41,000 is grossly exaggerated. The true earning potential, if monetized, would approximate $480 monthly. My experience running a monetized YouTube Shorts channel, where I earn roughly 8 cents for every 1,000 views, mirrors that of other creators I've conversed with, highlighting a pattern of misleading viral content aimed at boosting viewership. In this expose, I'll unveil the stark realities of YouTube Shorts, sharing insights from my journey and that of numerous other creators who learned these lessons through adversity. This aims to safeguard your time, finances, and self-worth. Last year, I launched a new YouTube channel with the motive of securing the bag, inspired by the lucrative earnings of established YouTubers. YouTube Shorts seem to be the next big wave, especially with the burgeoning popularity of TikTok and Instagram Reels. My strategy involved blending regular uploads of traditional content with daily shorts, focusing on similar themes to attract a cohesive audience base. This dual approach was anticipated to double my viewership and hasten my earnings from YouTube. However, this approach was fundamentally flawed, as I'll elaborate later, especially considering the surprising developments detailed in another of my videos. Stick around for a comprehensive breakdown of the unexpected turn of events. I debuted with my initial long-form video, garnering a modest 19 views in its premiere week. Conversely, my shorts gained significantly more momentum, with one of the earliest shorts amassing thousands of views, offering a glimmer of hope. Aware of the superior AdSense potential in long-form content, I dedicated my efforts towards enhancing these videos with meticulous editing, engaging hooks, compelling titles, and eye-catching thumbnails. This dedication bore fruit when one of my early long-form creations skyrocketed to 120,000 views, positioning my CPM at an impressive $10, indicating a potential earning of around $11,000 had it been monetized. In the same time frame, a short of mine exploded in popularity, amassing millions of views and hundreds of new subscribers, fueling my aspirations of YouTube fame and even whimsical fantasies of outpunching Jake Paul. However, a pivotal realization dawned on me: leveraging YouTube Shorts could expedite my channel's path to monetization. Given the lower threshold for monetization eligibility through Shorts compared to long-form content, I strategized to focus predominantly on producing captivating shorts to secure monetization swiftly. Once monetized, my intent was to pivot back to long-form content to maximize earnings. I dissected the elements of viral shorts: captions, jump cuts, animations, background tunes, and sound effects, and invested additional hours in editing, hopeful for a payoff. My efforts resulted in several more shorts going viral, leading to my channel's monetization in a mere 60 days. My strategy seemed to be propelling me towards YouTube stardom and financial freedom. Yet, it was at this juncture that my journey encountered an unforeseen twist. Shifting my focus back to long-form content, I encountered an unexpected challenge. No matter the effort, views plateaued at a few thousand. Despite a click-through rate, CTR, over 10% indicating my thumbnails were effective, and despite crafting engaging scripts and enhancing videos with superior music and editing compared to others in my niche, a critical metric was letting me down: average view duration, AVD. My AVD was dismally low, around 20% per video. Despite my commitment, akin to launching any online business venture, I pinpointed the issue not with the content, but with my audience. The subscribers garnered from my YouTube Shorts were merely skimming through my long-form content, disinterested in engaging beyond a few seconds. Efforts to enhance long-form videos with dynamic editing techniques failed to retain them, attributable to their preference for brief content. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes viewer engagement, promoting videos that retain viewers' attention and elicit interactions. However, if the initial audience, including your subscribers, watches only a fragment or ignores your video, the algorithm assumes the content is unappealing, limiting its reach. This segmentation between audiences, those with brief attention spans from shorts and those inclined towards longer, more engaging content, presents a conundrum. Shorts viewers seek instant gratification, a stark contrast to the long-form audience's expectations. This realization wasn't unique to my experience. Creators with substantial followings faced similar hurdles, affirming the negligible value of subscribers from shorts for long-form content engagement. Analysis of top shorts creators, like MD Motivator, illustrates a pronounced disparity in engagement between shorts and long-form videos, to the extent that some, like Mr. Beast, opted to discontinue shorts altogether. The pervasive promotion of YouTube Shorts, often without highlighting these challenges, raises questions. Many advocating for shorts don't utilize them, prioritizing their channel's integrity over potential quick gains. This isn't to say shorts lack merit. They offer significant opportunities for specific niches or as a tool for daily engagement with an already established audience. My shorts channel has been profitable, and I don't aim to deter potential creators. However, blending shorts and long-form content from the onset can undermine your channel's growth. This video aims to enlighten, sharing insights I wish were imparted to me, sparing the investment of time and resources in a conflicting strategy. My journey has been a learning curve, marked by viral successes and algorithmic challenges, underscoring the importance of understanding YouTube's intricacies for aspiring creators.